today for the Bitcoin price. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the day we've been waiting for. Today is Sunday. Today, one very important, I think the most important weekly candle we have seen maybe in history is going to close for Bitcoin. I want to talk about what we have to exactly pay attention to right now. What am I doing with my trades? Is the bear market starting or not? The answer will be coming today. Let's dive straight into it. Ladies and gentlemen, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I'm here at some conference with some crypto content creators, but of course it doesn't hold me back to make this video. Ladies and gentlemen, wow. I mean, you do remember I talked about this pattern. Yes, we broke to the downside on the daily, but the weekly is the most important. Yes, I will talk about the price target here, but I want to elaborate on one important indicator, which I believe is the most important indicator to distinguish between a bull and a bear market for Bitcoin. And that is on the weekly candles, the EMA ribbon. Ladies and gentlemen, let me actually zoom in and show you exactly what we are looking at here right now. On the weekly candles for Bitcoin, you can see the EMA ribbon is broken to the downside. And today on Sunday, this weekly candle is going to close. And there has never been a bull market been finished before breaking a daily candle below. So if we are closing this weekly candle today at somewhere below 98,000, it is going to get potentially dangerous for Bitcoin, because in history, every time in a bull market, when we close the weekly candle below the EMA ribbon, which is basically the 50-week moving average on the weekly here, the red line on the bottom, the bear market started every single time. So does this mean it will start now? With the highest likelihood, the answer is yes. It is never 100%. This is based on historical confidence level, which so far it is 100%. It can always be different, but this will be a clear indication for me to step back and to take immediate actions on my trade. And yes, I want to talk about the price target as well. I want to quickly elaborate here on my trade. You can see my Bitcoin trade is open, but I took most of the profits already. You can see $16 million in profits taken already, and remaining in unrealized profits is $4.8 million for Bitcoin. So now let's go into the price targets. And I don't know if you saw that, but just a few minutes ago, I uploaded this video on my health channel. If you want to take part at giveaways, if you want to be healthy, health is wealth, much more than actual money. Go to that video. It's in the pinned comment down below. Click and watch that video. It is a 4-minute video where I am telling you, or 5 minutes, something like this, where I'm talking about how bread can be poison and how bread can be your biggest trend is superfood. And if you are subscribing to the channel, you can take part at future giveaways. Link in the pinned comment. This video is important. This bread is killing you slowly. Watch that video. Now let's go back into the Bitcoin video here, of course. But come on, guys, go over. We are almost 20,000 people on the health channel already. It's beautiful. We are starting a new movement over there. So what you can see here, if we are closing the weekly candle below this downward sloping support, below the EMA ribbon, we are potentially looking at the following price target. And here, you know, this is a falling wedge. So what I would pull out first is the measured move price target before I'm going into structural support here for the potentially starting bear market to come thereafter. So the price target would be roundabout at $82,000 for Bitcoin, 82 to 84,000 US. If we are closing this weekly candle below $98,000. Again, it's not a 100% confidence. I mean, it's a 100% historical confidence ratio, but it's never 100%. So we can close below and still not go into a bull market, into a bear market. But if you ask me, on historical confidence, it gets way more likely if we close today's weekly candle below. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section down below. I want you to tell me. Do you think this is the start of a bear market? Yes or no? We are going to see the very soon at the next of Mmcrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.